Hello students, let us see the problem number 2 from the MS Chauhan book, chapter Alkene. We have selected student Alkenes. So dear students, how can you be able to understand, see these questions? Okay, so if you see these questions, we are having the product. Firstly, let us try to draw out the product, students. Okay, so here product I am putting here. This is the product. Dear students, you need to have the basic clear concept of the basic, then only you will be able to solve. Otherwise it can create huge stress in your mind. Okay, this is the product is there, students. Okay, and they are asking, that is some reactant will be there. They are asking the reactant A. Which is the reactant A? So what we are going to do, we are checking one by one option. So we are going to check option 1. So if you are doing option 1, students, here is the option A. Suppose this, firstly I am doing the option A. I am taking, of course I am taking time, but that much time is not. See students, it is double bond is there. You are treating with the what, HCl you are treating, and 2 mole HCl you have taken. 2 mole HCl, 2 equivalent. So here, that is the, according to Marconi-Cops, you apply the Marconi-Cops rule. Marconi-Cops rule. So if you are applying Marconi-Cops rule, so that is the negative charge is going to attack on where the less number of electron is there. So that what will happen, this positive charge, this will go on this position, and this will go on where it will go on this position. Okay, another point you see, students, for another time what will happen, this hydrogen will be added here and chlorine will be added here. Okay, because what the Marconi-Cops rule is saying, that is the negative part will go with that carbon which is having lesser number of hydrogen. So here you see, here the hydrogen is, how many hydrogen are there? 0 hydrogen. No, all the 4 are there. Here how many are there? No hydrogen is there. So that is obviously it will go there, and hydrogen will go in that double bonded carbon which have the more number of hydrogen. So what the product is you are going to get? What the product? So let's draw the product. Let's draw the product. So here I am putting the diagram of the product. So here if you are adding, students, so here the one bond will be there, here is Cl, and now you see, so what will happen, this is the bond, and here is this is going to be here you see, that is the, here is the single and here is Cl. So see, this is the product, student, this is the product same. Okay, this and this are both are equivalent. So option A is the correct one. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to check the option number B. So if you are checking the option number B, students, let me put it out, because if you see this option, students, where should I write actually, that is the this tab is small, and here, so here is the double bond is there, similar type of product is appearing like that. Here is the OH is there, and this one. Okay, so here you see, student, this have taken, and you are going to be treating with the 2 molar HCl here also. Okay, so this the first one is the Marconi-Cops, here is going, here is the Marconi-Cops, and here is we are going to apply the dehydration concept. Okay, so the first of all the one product I am writing here, then you try to understand here. So first here will be the this one Cl is there is no doubt about it. Okay, here is, this is bond is there. Now here you see, students, here you see, here is the H plus is there, H plus. So here lone pair electron, this is going to be attract the H plus. So what it will go out in the form of water, it will out, and it will create the positive charge here. So Cl will attack here. So what it's going to do, this is the 2 bond, and here will be the Cl. So that the same, what the product is required, this is the same. So B is also correct here. Option B is also correct. Now let's have a look over the C option. I am erasing and then I am explaining this. Okay. If you talk about the C number option, students, C number option, let's have a look. So this is the same, I think, students. Okay, whatever the options are there. Double bond is there. Here is OH is there, and here is double bond. Okay. So dear students, here is 2HCl we are taking, right? So here is the lone pair electron is there. So from here, what will happen? Water molecule will be lost. Okay. If you are attracting, this lone pair is going to attract here. So what will happen? The water molecule will be lost. So here what the chlorine will be adding? Chlorine will get added. Okay, because in the form of here it is losing water molecule, so it will create the positive charge here. So that is, here is will be Cl, and here is the bond already there. Okay, so here is bond is there. Now you see in this case, so here is the Markovnikov. In this position what will come? Markovnikov. So here the hydrogen and here the chlorine. Okay, so what will happen here? Here this is as it is, and here is chlorine. So you see that this is also the same product, this is going. So all A, B, C are giving the product. So our required answer is option number what? Option number D is the correct option, student. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students. That's quite easy only, based on the dehydration of alcohol and the Markovnikov's rule.